is the last video for at least for now, and apparently the Switch 2 release window has been confirmed by many developers. Okay, so basically, every week there's a Switch 2 rumor, and the extremely popular Switch 2 wait for the news and successor. So we talked about the Switch 2 being, technically revealed yesterday by D-Brand. Okay, yeah, but 6 developers have confirmed that the Switch 2 is coming out. It said the console will release between June and July. Of course, this is probably the most reliable news we have had yet, which makes sense because Nintendo has games for the Switch around March. Okay, but June to July makes a lot of sense because it's the summer season, obviously, and no consoles really release in June. Okay, as well, I think I think the when did the PS Vita come out? Okay, when did the PS Vita? I think the PS Vita came out in June. Okay. Okay, it came out in March. It came out in February of 2012. Okay. But the PS Vita, you know, I think the 3DS was the closest we got to a June release. 3DS. But the Switch 2 is releasing in an unlikely month. You would think they'll release it during the holidays. But I think Nintendo doesn't want is worry about the actual demand that could happen if they did release it in the holidays like the PS5 had. Okay. Because with the holiday releases, you have to worry about how many consoles you have, how many things you're releasing. And the 3DS, released in March. And in certain countries they released later, like in Brazil. But and also the Nintendo has released like the 3DS versions around July. But that means the Switch 2 will launch around June to July. That's the expected date. Months the console will come out. So, according to 6 developers, I think are the most reliable source out there, because they're the ones actively developing games for the Switch 2. They said the Switch 2 will be releasing, and also Nintendo did say a goodbye to the Switch as well. So that means the Switch 2 announcement is coming pretty soon. I think around next month as well. I think Nintendo doesn't want the Switch to be, stifled in holiday sales, obviously. So yeah, I think we're gonna get the last games released for the Switch, which are gonna be ports of games, you know, remasters, ports, stuff like that. And yeah, that's about this for the final video for today. Unless something major happens, okay, this should be the final video for today. So, goodbye.